Start professional packaging anytime, anywhere. Pull out the hot melt strap and, using the threading tool, easily thread it through the bottom of the pallet. Fold the strap in half and thread it through the buckle from bottom to top. This classic wrapping method ensures excellent tensile strength and stability. Place cardboard corner protectors to protect the shape of the cardboard box. After tightening the strap, press down the handle of the tensioner to lift the base plate. The lower strap is placed under the pressure plate, and the upper strap enters the cutter and winding wheel. Rotate the handle to tighten the strap until the desired tension is reached, then press it all the way down to cut off the excess strap. Secure, safe, and efficient. The WG Starter Kit solves all your packaging problems in one box.